Let's watch the video first. Cut your fucking ass. Cut your fucking ass. We knew we were dating, just that you didn't want to make it public. Why are you touching India's ass? Why are you touching India's nyash? Look at me, I'm even stumbling. Why are you touching India's nyash? Huh? DDG, cut your ass lacking.
Won't scream ever again.
At this point, just make it public, gang. Just make it public.
University, amen. Ty, if you watching this, bro, I love you, bro.
Just make it public.
You're a real nigga.
You're gonna get caught or you're gonna get clipped every time
Shit
like
right
this.
here, nigga.
Let's look at the second clip. Let's look at the second clip.
The pool?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at India now. She was reaching for a hug.
Pool closed.
So what are we supposed to do?
Look at Ben that done. He's confused. Look at how he's standing. He's like, what the fuck am I witnessing? What the fuck am I seeing? Look at this shit. Ben that done is Nah, gang.
I'm finna go in this
Just make it public, DDG, because you're gonna always catch your ass lacking every time. Look at this time, you're fucking lacking. There's something going on.
so hot, bro.
If you're not dating, you're definitely touching each other. You're touching each
This ain't
other.
no regular hot sauce.
I'm telling you.
Come on, bro. STD in it.
Shut up. DDG, shut up. We know you're dating. You know you are dating. DDG and India Love, you know you're dating. DDG and India Love, you know. Just tell us, man. I'm not even gonna react to the video anymore, cause it's pretty obvious.
Heard his voice.
You are dating each other, and there's no problem with that. But just don't hide it, especially if you're a public figure or you always do your things publicly. You're gonna definitely get caught. Everything that's in the darkness will definitely come to light. This is what they were talking about. You can't tell me that India Love and DDG are not dating after watching this video, gang. Come on. How can I touch somebody's ass? Especially somebody that I'm not dating. How? How can she even allow that? Even if we're friends, like how can she even allow that? To go even further, I come to you later on that same day. I come to you to reach for a hug, asking you to go to a pool party. To go what? You obviously want me to see you half naked and shit, and then you're gonna be like boom 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 boom. Come on, this is pretty obvious. If you really like this reaction video, subscribe, gang. Like this video, and get this video to 1k likes. Share, do whatever to support the boy. This is your boy, aka Mayor, all the way from Gamasho. Don't care about Asho. Hope that you just solve our issues, man. We out. Catch you on the next episode or on another banger. We'll be reacting to another banger video. So catch you later. sorry. My bad.